So not gonna lie, y'all, I did this voiceover like 4 times simply because I tried to go in depth explaining every step that I was doing in this sped up makeup video. However, if you all want an in-depth explanation of why did I use this product, why did I place this there, how did I know to use this instead of that, then you definitely need to purchase my Makeup Theory ebook. It is on my website, www.shellyforeverelysian.com. It explains everything you need and want to know about makeup prior to learning and mastering the hands-on technique. Moving on. So I am like 2 to 3 different shades. So I have to use 2 to 3 different foundations to find my right or a shade or color that is the closest to my skin tone. I'm not one skin tone at all. I do use a lot of concealer, especially under my eyes. I will go in with like 2 to 3 different concealers to give me that bright, woke, loud, eye-opening look. That's just my makeup preference. And one thing about makeup that I do like and I love is that you can customize makeup however you would like to your face and to your liking, okay? Long as it's done correctly, meaning your blending is A1, it's not cakey looking, how you choose to apply it, the products that you use to substitute for this or that is totally up to you. Like I said, makeup is definitely customizable to each own. So not gonna lie, I did have a makeup error on my nose contouring, and once you understand color theory, you can see how that was to become. So now I'm applying my blush. I'm not with the heavy, the bright pink, the new trending blush look. I'm not too big on it. I feel like I do just enough, and I am gonna tone that down, and y'all will see shortly. I did not use any eyeshadow. This is just like a simple, basic, natural look. And speaking of natural, can we stop saying I want a light beat? Y'all be saying light beats because it's no heavy contouring, or you don't see or notice a eyeshadow. Everything just look light and seamless. But in reality, that makeup be heavy. It's just not, and I don't want to say heavy. It's full coverage. It's still full coverage. They just opt out using shades and tones that are not flesh-like or skin tone-like. So y'all, I did I don't even know how I put this wig on, y'all. I just know that I did not want a full melt. I did not need all that because this was just something temporary, and I already have alopecia. So the last thing I need to be doing is gluing a frontal down on edges that are barely there. So I just did this quick, I don't even know what the heck to call this, because y'all, I don't even know how I even came up with this. This is just like some random last minute thing. But anyway, y'all, so this is the final look, y'all. Yes, get into it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, y'all.